Hello guys, if today is not the first time you are hearing about crypto, or if today is not the first day that you got onboarded into crypto, it means you must have heard about the word Coingecko and Coinmarketcap. These are two different coin aggregators where we can get analytical data and a lot of top classified information about cryptocurrency. On these two coin aggregators, Coingecko and Coinmarketcap, we have the third one called Coinpaprika, but I'm not going to be talking about that. So on this video, I'll be focusing only on Coinmarketcap and Coingecko. All right, we are going to be talking about how you can be able to utilize these two different platforms to actually earn yourself a lot of advantages that no one may have ever told you about. So on Coingecko, we earn what we call candies, and on Coinmarketcap, we earn what we call diamonds. And on Coingecko, we tend to use these candies that we are earning to actually earn ourselves free NFT that's actually worth more than $10 and above. Get access to get a lot of application or VPNs with a lot of discounts, and also with this candy, you can actually get tickets to a lot of crypto events happening around the world for free. Coming to Coinmarketcap, where we earn ourselves what we call diamonds. These diamonds can be used to, redeem for almost the same thing that we redeem using the Coingecko candies. But on Coinmarketcap, it tends to be more advanced because we earn diamonds on it, and these diamonds can be used to, claim a lot of Binance vouchers that are going to be earning of $5 and above. We also mint NFT. We earn tickets to a lot of events happening around the world concerning cryptocurrency, and a lot of top advantages comes with these guys. So without wasting time, guys, we are going to be talking about this in detail. I'm going to be showing you all you need to know right now concerning this. Please, if you're coming across our channel for the first time, or if you haven't subscribed yet, please kindly do well to hit that subscription button down below to subscribe to our channel. We are fastly heading to 10,000 subscribers. So without wasting time, guys, let's now dive in. Let me show you all you need to know starting right now. Alright guys, so this is Coinmarketcap and this is how it actually looks like. But coming over here right now, this is Coingecko and this is how it looks like. So guys, we are going to be talking about the candies and the diamonds real quick. So to be able to access the diamonds, what you need to do is simply click over here that we have this trail line. You click on it. Then the first thing you need to do is simply make sure that you have actually logged in. Make sure that you log in. Then you click over here that we have candies right here. You click on my candies, okay? And coming over here right now to candies, you can see this is my balance right here, 10,190. And over here scrolling down, these are the advantages right here. You can see you get 75% off these tickets to, the Sonic Summit, which is actually happening from the 6th to 8th of May 2025. When you scroll down a little bit, you can see you get $10 BTC voucher on every device, that is on every ledger device that you have. So scrolling down right here, you can see a lot of advantages comes with this, and you can see you can actually use 80 candies to 800 candies to actually redeem this PDF or ebook called How to Bitcoin. This book actually teaches you all you need to know concerning Bitcoin. And when scrolling a little bit, a lot of things actually shows up right here. You simply need to click on show more, and you are going to be taken to the next page where you are going to be seeing a lot of advantages that comes with this. Trust me, there are many of them. So right now, how do you actually claim this candy? So once you've got yourself right here, then you go ahead and click on collect candy, okay? Immediately, guys, you can see your candy is going to be added up right now. You can see now I have 10,200 candy. So the next day, you simply need to come over here and then claim again. And once you have claimed to some certain extent, then you can come over here, find out what you want to redeem it for, and use it to redeem. For example, right here, if you're redeeming it for this book called How to Bitcoin, you can see it's going to be requiring 800 candy, and you can see this is the pieces left. All right, so this is all about the Coingecko part of this. But if you weren't talking about the Coinmarketcap, you simply go to the website like this. This is how the website looks like. The first thing you need to do is simply click on this trail line again. Then you make sure that you have actually logged in. All right, once you have logged in, you come over here where we have my diamond. Then you click on it, or you can actually click over here that we have this diamond icon right here. You click on it. All right, so clicking on it right now, they are going to be showing you this right now. That is the stages through which you can actually collect candies and how many candies that you can collect on each. So right now you go ahead and click on visit diamond. All right, so immediately you are going to be brought right here. Okay, and looking over here right now, you can see as you claim it, that's how your reward tends to increase until the 7th day, where you are going to be claiming 50 diamonds. And over here, guys, you can see this is my balance right here, 6,890 diamond. Over here, guys, you can see we now have additional reward. You can see log in our app and collect diamond for at least 3 times within 7 days. So right now I will click on collect diamond right now to actually claim this 10 diamond right now. But when I click on collect in app, I'm also going to be claiming 10 diamond together with this 10 diamond down below right here. So right now, I will click on collect diamond immediately, and right now it is going to be loading up right now, and in just a moment my diamond balance is going to be racking up right now. Okay, and immediately guys, you can see you have collected 10 daily diamonds. So I'll click on OK right now. So over here right now, this is how I collect my diamond. And right now guys, when you scroll down a little bit, you can see this is where we have diamond reward right here. You click on it. Okay, you click on diamond reward and it will be loading up immediately, and you are going to be taken to the next page where you are going to be seeing all the available items that you can actually redeem using your reward. In case you see this message saying there is no reward for current filter, simply wait and give it a little time, or in some cases you can simply reload the page to actually get it showing on your own end. All right, so over here right now, you can see this is what we have right here. You can see we have this one loading up. Let me just reload this so that the picture will be showing clearly. Okay, right now guys, you can see this is it right here. You can see you can actually get 10% off using your diamond right here. And one important thing about this diamond is that you can actually earn it for free. You don't need to do anything, you earn it simply for free. You can also get NordVPN 2-year plan at the rate of 80% discount plus extra 3 months. All right, so a lot of advantages you can get using these diamonds that you are earning right here for free. Just come over here, claim every single day. So over here guys, you can see we have a lot of things right here. I just can't mention all of them. The more you explore it, the more you actually tend to get even more advantage. When you scroll down a little bit, you can see we have a load more. But one thing you need to note right here is that we have this right now. You can see, for example, if you are talking about this token 2049 Dubai regular bet ticket, you can get this ticket using just 5,000 diamond from this Coingecko. And over here right now, you can see it has been sold out, meaning that people have actually bought every single thing. So whenever a reward comes up right here, you need to come over here and grab it immediately. So the importance of this video is that you need to make sure that you are claiming every single day on your Coingecko, and also you need to make sure that you are also claiming every single day on your Coinmarketcap. All right, so that any event or any advantage that comes up on either Coingecko or Coinmarketcap, you can actually use the amount of diamonds or candies that you have got to actually grab such opportunities. So like airdrop and NFTs, a lot of things comes up through this medium. All right, so thank you for watching the video. I believe you find it interesting. Let me know right now what you think about this on the comment section, and do not forget to check more of our channel to find out a lot of airdrop that you haven't participated on. From there you can then join in immediately. Thank you for watching guys, and I will talk to you on the next video dropping very soon on how you can be able to make money for free in the crypto space. Thank you, and I'll talk to you very soon.